Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to disassemble Shure MV7 micro USB microphone. This is a bit older version, but it's quite similar to newer ones. At the top it has 3 hex screws. We are going to need hex, flathead and Phillips bits for this disassembly. So let's get started. First, I'll start by removing top 2 screws, and then we can move on to removing the bottom one. We're keeping one top screw so bottom or top doesn't fall out. It's just easier to work this way. Now let's move to the bottom. There are 2 screws holding down XLR jack. Let's remove them first. And then we actually have the 3.5 jack port. It actually holds down the motherboard in place. So if you have like pushed in micro USB, this is going to fix it. We use flathead to make it lighter and just unscrew it with our hands. Yep, quite easy. Now we can remove the last top screw. Be careful, the top can easily slide off, so I'm kinda holding it with one of my fingers. And now to the important part. We can see 2 wires going to the microphone. You have to be very careful not to rip them out. If you rip them out, it's GG. You'll have to resolder them. You'll see later in the video that I actually had to resolder them at one point. We have to disconnect cable by carefully lifting it up, and then we can pull out motherboard. But as I mentioned before, be very careful, it's super fragile. And that's the motherboard. Reassembling is actually quite easy. It's a metal unibody, so we can see pathways that we use just to insert motherboard back. Careful not to break off the cables. And just align and slide it in. You'll have to push motherboard a little bit so the slots actually fit inside, and yeah, now is good time to slide that cable back inside. You can of course do it with your finger, it doesn't really matter. There are 2 like pointy things those actually help you align at the top of the microphone. So yeah, just align them, push in the motherboard so it's nice and tight. And now we can assemble it back. As we can see, the USB port is in the right place. And first, most importantly, let's place our little headphone holder back in place. As I mentioned before, it actually holds down the motherboard, so yeah, very important. Now we can just place it on the table and screw in the 3 top screws. It's probably a good time to check if a motherboard didn't move, but if you follow the order I told you, it should be fine. Now we can insert twice 2 screws for XLR. And that's it. Okay, now let's just connect it to PC and check if it's working. And good news, everything is working fine. So yeah, this assembly was successful. I really hope this was useful for you, and thank you for watching.